When I first arrive to a home, I run around and turn all the lights on, open up all the doors, open up the window blinds, and I often will get the tubs running. So as I did that in this home, I noticed some incorrect wiring in this hallway light. So we have this light switch here. When I went to turn it on, this is what happened to the light behind me. See that little flicker? So typically you want to have a light switch on either side of a hallway, even though this isn't a very big hallway. So here is the light that turns it on and off. But if we leave that one off, turn that one on, if we leave that one down there, it just flickers. Now, since the other one is on, this one doesn't do anything. So here we have two switches that just weren't wired correctly. But what's more funny to me is that someone lived in this home for 10 years and was just like, hey. I don't know, things like this would bug me if I lived here. It's a pretty easy fix. At least for an electrician, not me. I don't mess with electricity.